This Berlinzo mold makes large 6-centimeter ice balls that melt slower, keeping drinks cooler for longer. It's perfect for whiskey. The cost is $20.
This set of 3 silicone oven guards costs $5. They can withstand temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius and protect your hands from burns in the oven.
The Lefton Sink Set rinses, washes, and cools food with precise control over water flow and temperature. It costs $800. This compact smoker is suitable for both food and drinks. It can add a smoky flavor to cheese, whiskey, or ice cream in minutes. The kit, which includes cherry and apple wood chips, is sold for $118. This gadget for boiling eggs combines a timer and a piercer. A pierced egg is less likely to crack while boiling and is easier to peel. It costs $33. The Starleaf machine helps you quickly make ice cream without milk, cream, or sugar. It costs $67 and comes with 6 interchangeable nozzles. This set of 4 containers is especially useful for cut vegetables and fruits. The elastic silicone film provides a secure seal, making the containers more compact. The set costs $12. The Saki gadget stirs soups, sauces, and pasta in a pot. It works at 2 speeds and costs $55. The Plateful warming mat keeps food warm, with a temperature range of 40 to 120 degrees Celsius. It also has a flexible timer. The price is $100. This chopper makes cooking more pleasant. It can handle nuts and ice and is operated with one hand. It costs $51. This organizer's main feature is its movable side panels, which allow you to adjust its width from 33 to 57 centimeters. The price is $24. The Igostar Sapphire Kettle is a good choice for travel. It's collapsible and features an auto shutoff and an auto heating function that turns on when the water temperature drops below 78 degrees Celsius. It costs $26. With 6 interchangeable blades, this kitchen tool from Fullstar works as both a vegetable chopper and a cheese grater without needing electricity. The price is $27. This unusual cheese knife can slice cheese into different thicknesses, from super thin to 6 millimeters. It's even suitable for soft mozzarella. It costs $17. This kitchen thermometer, with a range from -50 degrees to +300 degrees Celsius and a built-in LCD display, makes checking the temperature of steaks and jams much easier. It costs $11. The compact and spacious Cabinet Caddy is a cabinet for jars. Thanks to its rotating design, you can easily grab the jar you need. It costs $83. The Jeetal Food Chopper speeds up chopping and slicing. It can handle an onion in 15 seconds, compared to 3 minutes with a regular knife. The price is $20. This alarm clock coffee maker brews coffee 5, 10, or 15 minutes after the alarm. The compact unit also includes a mini fridge for milk. The price is $429. The Lazy Susan system is perfect for family dinners, allowing you to easily reach any dish without stretching across the table. It assembles in 2 minutes and is expandable with additional modules. The base version costs $99. This brush for cleaning cutlery helps you clean both sides of a fork or spoon at once. It costs $11. This small dishwasher doesn't need to be hooked up to a water line and uses only 5 liters of water per cycle. It can hold over 30 items and sells for $324. The Japanese brand Mitsumoto Sakari offers a professional knife sharpener. It has a sharpening range of 14 degrees to 24 degrees with slots for coarse and fine sharpening. The price is $35. The Ninja Crispy is a compact yet spacious air fryer. It can cook an entire chicken at temperatures up to 232 degrees Celsius. The price is $160. The Nostalgia Heated Lunchbox holds 600 milliliters and plugs into an outlet a few hours before lunch to gradually warm up your food. The price is $20.
The second-generation Kitchen Dough cheese slicer holds cheese 50% more securely and allows for quick wire replacement. It's suitable for cheese, butter, and soap. The price is $25. The OXO Meat Tenderizer makes meat more tender with 50 blades that create pockets to speed up marinating and cooking. It costs $23. The $23 Sondico kitchen torch is powered by butane and produces a flame with a temperature up to 700 degrees Celsius. The Well2B CS668 accessory helps turn zucchini and other vegetables into vegetarian pasta. It costs $52. This bamboo and stainless steel press is used for making tortillas. It costs $55 with parchment paper included. This grater combines aesthetics and functionality. It comes in several colors and is 12 times faster than similar products at grating cheese, carrots, and chocolate. The price is $51. The Moss & Stone electric crepe maker allows you to cook crepes in seconds. Just dip it in the batter and the temperature adjusts automatically. It costs $50. This WMF egg cooker holds up to 7 eggs and can boil them soft or hard. It sounds an alarm when the eggs are ready. It costs $52. The C. Golden Wall pasta maker comes with 12 attachments for making various types of pasta, including spaghetti and fettuccine in just 10 minutes. It costs $170. 2 knives that can be joined to form scissors. They can be purchased for $13. The Joseph Totem Kitchen trash can features 2 30-liter compartments and an odor control system with replaceable filters. The can costs $251. The Almond Cow machine makes oat, almond, soy, and other alternative milks. This diversity appeals to more than just vegans. The machine costs $275. The Once For All is a safe vegetable slicer where your fingers never touch the blades. It makes cubes, slices, and julienne cuts, switching modes quickly without changing blades. The price is $37.